Is your car's infotainment screen blank? Here's how to diagnose the problem. First, check the power supply. Insufficient voltage from the battery or alternator is a common culprit. Ensure your 12 volts or 48 volts battery has at least 12.6 volts at rest. Next, inspect the fuses. Locate the fuse box, usually under the dashboard, and look for fuses labeled infotainment or radio. A blown fuse will cut power. Use a multimeter to test fuse continuity. Also consider battery-related failures, such as a weak battery or corroded terminals, which can cause low voltage. These issues account for 15 to 20% of vehicle electronic problems. Electric vehicles like the Ford F-150 Lightning often experience battery drain-related lockouts. To fix a non-responsive infotainment system, start with a hard reset. Hold the power button for 10 to 30 seconds to reboot the system, which clears temporary glitches. Disconnecting the battery for 5 to 10 minutes performs a full reset. This can resolve deeper power-related issues. If resets don't work, software glitches might be the issue, especially with the increasing use of over-the-air updates. Check fuses first, as it's the simplest and most overlooked step. A large portion of infotainment issues, 40% of malfunctions, are often power-related. For deeper issues, professional diagnostics are recommended to avoid voiding warranties. Tesla's Model S experienced infotainment screen failures, which were resolved by hard resets or OTA updates, highlighting the importance of power management and software solutions.